Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a gardening essential that's making waves in the plant-loving community, the Oubest peat plant pots. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and effective way to start your seedlings, you've come to the right place. Stick around as we explore why these paper pulp pots might just be your next favorite gardening tool. These Oubest peat plant pots are designed to kickstart your gardening journey effortlessly. Made from biodegradable peat, they're not just environmentally friendly but also incredibly practical. With a diameter of 3 inches, they're perfect for a variety of plants, whether you're into vegetables, herbs, or flowers. These pots naturally dissolve into the soil, promoting healthy root growth and minimizing transplant shock. Simply plant your seeds, and once they sprout, you can directly plant the entire pot into the ground or a larger container. Made from peat, these pots are a sustainable choice compared to plastic alternatives. At 3 inches, they strike the right balance between compact and spacious, ideal for various gardening setups. They provide excellent air permeability and automatic water absorption, ensuring optimal conditions for seed germination. The sturdy yet flexible design protects delicate roots during transplantation. With a package containing 50 pots, they offer great value for money and versatility in your gardening projects. While there are similar products on the market, such as plastic or other biodegradable options, the Oubest peat plant pots stand out due to their balanced blend of functionality, eco-friendliness, and affordability. Fill the pots with seed starting mix and plant your seeds according to the recommended depth. Keep the pots adequately moist to facilitate seedling growth. Once your plants are ready to be transplanted, simply place the entire pot into the soil or a larger container, minimizing root disturbance. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and sustainable solution to kickstart your garden, the Oubest peat plant pots are definitely worth considering. They combine ease of use with environmental benefits, making them a favorite among gardening enthusiasts. If you've tried these pots before or have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews on products like these. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and happy gardening!